65% of people today are living paycheck to paycheck. And the shocking part is, a huge percentage of them earn over $100,000 a year. Good jobs, good salaries, nice lifestyles. Yet by the end of the month, the money is gone. So the real question is not, why are poor people struggling with money? The real question is, why do even successful people stay financially stuck? And the answer might surprise you. Because the people who escape this cycle usually don't do it by earning more money. They do it by building a system, a simple system that takes less than an hour to set up, but can quietly build wealth for the rest of your life. And today in this video, I'm going to show you that exact system. But before we get into the system, I want you to imagine something. Imagine two people. Both earn the same salary, both work the same hours, but after 15 years, one of them has hundreds of thousands of dollars invested, and the other has almost nothing saved. What created the difference? It wasn't intelligence. It wasn't luck. It was how their money moved. Most people treat money like a bucket. They fill the bucket with their paycheck. Then they start pouring it out. Rent, car payments, groceries, subscriptions, insurance, and before they know it, the bucket is empty. Then next month, they fill it again. And repeat the same process for decades. But wealthy people don't carry buckets. They build pipes. A pipe is a system. You build it once, and then money starts flowing automatically to the right places, even when you're sleeping, even when you're busy, even when you're doing nothing. And the system I'm about to show you is one of the simplest pipes you can build. One of the biggest financial illusions people believe is that income automatically leads to wealth. At first, that idea sounds logical. If someone earns more money, they should become richer over time. But in reality, income and wealth are two completely different things. Income is simply money flowing into your life through your job or business. Wealth, on the other hand, is the money that stays with you and continues to grow even when you're not working. This is why you'll often see people earning $50,000 quietly building strong investment portfolios, while others earning $200,000 still feel financially stressed. The difference is not how much money enters their bank account, but how much of it is converted into assets that grow over time. The moment a paycheck arrives, a silent competition begins. Your landlord, your bank, your car loan, insurance companies, subscription services, and credit card payments are all waiting to claim their share. These businesses have built extremely efficient systems designed to collect money automatically. Rent is deducted, loan payments are scheduled, subscriptions renew without you even thinking about them. Before most people realize it, a large portion of their income has already been committed to expenses. This is why so many hard-working people feel like they're constantly running on a treadmill financially, working harder each year, but never truly moving forward. And that's exactly where the real shift begins. If other companies have systems designed to capture your money, then the solution is simple. You must build your own system first. Instead of hoping there will be money left at the end of the month to save or invest, the system moves money to the right places automatically before it can disappear into spending. One of the simplest and most effective ways to do this is through a framework called the 20-10-60-10 system. It divides your income into 4 automatic pipes that manage how money flows through your life. Once these pipes are set up, your finances begin operating with structure and intention, turning your income from something that simply passes through your hands into something that steadily builds long-term wealth. The first and most important part of the system is the growth pipe, where 20% of your income is dedicated purely to building long-term wealth. This is the portion of your money that is meant to work for your future rather than being spent on your present lifestyle. Instead of sitting idle in a checking account, this money should be directed toward investments that have the potential to grow steadily over time. For most people, the simplest and most reliable option is low-cost index funds. These funds don't try to guess which companies will win or lose in the short term. Instead, they track the overall market, allowing you to benefit from the long-term growth of the economy itself. This approach removes the need for complicated trading strategies, constant monitoring, or risky speculation. The goal here is not excitement. It's consistent, long-term growth that quietly compounds year after year. What makes this pipe so powerful is the force of compound interest, which is essentially growth building on top of previous growth. Over long periods of time, even small monthly investments can turn into surprisingly large amounts of money. For example, someone who invests just $500 per month starting at age 25 and earns an average return of around 8% could end up with over $1 million by age 65. But if that same person waits until age 35 to begin, the final result could be hundreds of thousands of dollars lower, even if they invest the same amount every month. The difference is time. The earlier the growth pipe starts running, the longer compounding has to work in your favor. That's why successful investors focus less on trying to be perfectly smart with every decision and more on simply being consistent for a long period of time. The second part of the system is the protection pipe, where about 10% of your income is directed toward building an emergency fund. Unlike the growth pipe, this money is not meant to chase high returns or take risks in the market. Instead, it should be kept in a safe and easily accessible place, such as a high-yield savings account. The purpose of this fund is simple but extremely important. It protects your financial stability when life becomes unpredictable. No matter how carefully someone plans their finances, unexpected events eventually happen. A sudden job loss, a medical emergency, car repairs, or other unforeseen expenses can appear without warning. When that happens, having a dedicated emergency fund means you already have money set aside to handle the situation without disrupting the rest of your financial system. Without this protection pipe, people are often forced to make costly financial decisions under pressure. When an emergency hits and there's no savings available, many people end up selling their investments at the worst possible time, taking on high-interest debt, or draining money that was meant for long-term goals. This can erase years of progress in a matter of weeks. But when a strong protection fund exists, usually covering 3 to 6 months of essential expenses, it acts like a financial safety net. It allows you to deal with problems calmly, without panic, and without sacrificing the investments that are meant to build your future. In other words, the protection pipe doesn't just provide money during difficult moments. It provides the confidence and stability needed to stay committed to the long-term wealth-building process. The third part of the system is the life pipe, where about 60% of your income is allocated to your everyday living expenses. This includes essential costs such as housing, food, transportation, insurance, utilities, and other regular bills that are necessary to maintain your lifestyle. While these expenses are completely normal, this is also the area where most people gradually lose control of their finances without even realizing it. The biggest reason is fixed costs, especially housing and transportation. A slightly bigger apartment, a more expensive house, or a newer car may seem like small upgrades at first, but over time these decisions can quietly consume a large portion of your income. Once these costs become fixed monthly obligations, they are difficult to reduce, and they limit how much money can be directed toward savings and investments. That's why managing your fixed expenses carefully is one of the most powerful financial decisions you can make. Because when your essential spending stays within a reasonable limit, it creates the financial breathing room needed for the other pipes, growth, and protection to continue working effectively over the long term. The fourth and final part of the system is the freedom pipe, where around 10% of your income is reserved for spending without guilt. At first, this might sound surprising because many people believe that building wealth means cutting out all unnecessary spending and living an extremely restricted lifestyle. But in reality, a system that removes all enjoyment is very difficult to maintain over the long term. Life isn't only about saving and investing, it's also about experiences, memories, and enjoying the rewards of your work. This portion of your income can be used for things that make life enjoyable, such as traveling, dining out, hobbies, entertainment, or small personal upgrades that bring happiness. The key idea here is that this spending is intentional and planned, which allows you to enjoy your money without feeling guilty or worried that you're damaging your financial future. This freedom component is also one of the reasons the entire system actually works in real life. Most financial advice fails because it relies too heavily on discipline and constant self-control. People might follow strict budgets for a few weeks or months, but eventually stress, emotions, or daily life pressures make it difficult to stay consistent. When every purchase feels like a sacrifice, many people end up abandoning the plan completely. A structured system solves this problem by automating decisions in advance. Once your income is automatically divided into growth, protection, life, and freedom pipes, the important financial decisions are already made. Your investments continue growing, your emergency fund keeps building, your living expenses stay controlled, and you still have money set aside to enjoy life. Because of this automation, the system keeps running whether you feel motivated or not, allowing consistent progress without relying on willpower alone. To better understand how the system works in real life, imagine someone who earns $5,000 per month after taxes. By applying the 2010-60-10 system, their income is automatically divided into 4 clear categories. About $1,000, 20% goes directly into investments to build long-term wealth. $500, 10% is transferred into an emergency fund for financial protection. $3,000, 60% covers essential living expenses such as housing, food, transportation, and bills, and the remaining $500, 10%, is set aside for guilt-free spending on things that make life enjoyable. When the structure runs consistently every month, the person doesn't have to constantly think about where their money should go. The system handles it automatically. Over time, the growth pipe quietly builds momentum. For example, investing $1,000 per month for 15 years, assuming reasonable market returns, could result in more than $300,000 in investments. This outcome isn't the result of luck, perfect timing, or choosing the next big stock. It happens simply because the person built a system and allowed it to run consistently without interruption. This example reveals an important truth that many people misunderstand about money. Wealth is rarely built through exciting financial moves. Instead, it is usually built through simple habits repeated for a long time. The individuals who quietly become financially secure often follow a very straightforward approach. They automate their investments and then avoid interfering with the process. They don't constantly trade in and out of the market, chase every new trend, or make emotional decisions based on short-term news. Instead, they contribute steadily month after month and allow time and compounding to do the heavy lifting. Meanwhile, many people continue carrying the bucket, working harder each year and earning more income but still ending each month with little left to show for it. The difference is not effort, it is structure. Those who build wealth design their financial pipes once and allow them to keep flowing over time. If this idea helped you see money differently, make sure to subscribe to Sam Invests, where we simplify investing and wealth building so anyone can start building a smarter financial system. And remember, the sooner you build your pipes, the longer they have to run, and that time can completely transform your financial future.